Hello everyone, welcome back to She Tried It. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually headed to my niece's 5th birthday party. It's a pool party, so she told me she wanted me to wear a swimsuit and get in the pool. I don't have on a swimsuit and I'm not getting in the pool, but I think I can get some good crochet time while I'm there. So I'm actually going to be using my favorite. And if you follow me on the community tab on YouTube, then y'all actually helped me pick this color. This is jalapeno, but we'll talk more about the yarn, we'll talk about the designer, we'll talk about what I'm making. Right now, go to the comment section, let me know if you think I can get these shorts done in a week. Today is Saturday, I'm gonna try to get it done by next Saturday and have this video up like a couple weeks later, but let me know your thoughts. I'm gonna try to pull out my phone over the next few days every time I get a chance to crochet. I may not always talk, but I'll at least show you like the progress that I'm making as the days go on. So this is officially day one. We'll see how much, if anything, I'm able to get accomplished by the end of today. I'm about to head to bed for day one. This is as far as I got on the waistband. Almost half maybe? I don't know. Hopefully I can get a little bit more accomplished tomorrow. I have a few things to say about the pattern so far. One is that I did not do a gauge swatch. I just went ahead and went with about the same size that she did. She said she used a 3mm hook and I only had a 2.75 or a 3.25, so I went with the 3.25 hook. In terms of the sizes in the pattern, she has, I believe, a size extra small to a 2XL. My waist measurement was quite a bit bigger than the 2XL, so I'm just like, well dang, I guess I'm like a 5X according to this pattern. So it's not written technically, but I think that that's fine. If you're someone who needs the exact stitches, then you know, you won't have that probably if you're larger than me or my size. I think that that's fine. I'll still be able to complete the pattern. It's not bad. I didn't get to crochet as much as I wanted to. I got so tired, so I know tomorrow will be a lot better. I hope tomorrow will be a lot better. I don't know, but we'll see how tomorrow is. But that is it for day one. Okay. It is day 3. I have a swimsuit on because I'm heading to my sister's house for Memorial Day. They're cooking, and as we know, I go where the food is. So this is how far I've gotten on the waistband. It fits around my waist, which I can show you here. It's not too like, you know, strange to fit around my waist. I think a lot of people think that I just have no issues on any of my makes. They go seamlessly. And I'm actually kind of happy this worked out because now I can show you, no, that's not the case. I just figure something out and I make modifications. This is a free pattern, it's not a test, so who cares? What the issue is I bought this a few days ago. This is a waistband that I want to put inside the waist. If you look at the pattern, she uses a drawstring and I didn't really want to do it because I thought just having this elastic would make it fit a bit better. I could not find this for the past couple of days and I definitely couldn't find it before I went to my niece's party the other day. So I went on the Michaels website and I looked up pictures and I could have promised I found the exact one I bought. And the one I thought I saw said, I thought I found one that said it was 1.5 inches, and so I doubled that on this. The plan was to kind of wrap this around it, but now I underestimated how wide it was, so it's not wrapping around. I understand that I'll have to redo that, however, I don't want to completely undo this to redo that right now. I'm gonna try to find a workaround for that. But that's the issue that I'm in right now. Will I still finish this by this weekend? I don't know. And again, we're going to my sister's house right now. We're probably gonna go swimming, even though I didn't swim my niece's birthday. We changed our minds. Their pool is really nice, so I think I do wanna swim today. But if their pool is open, we will see. Not really sure how I'm gonna fix this. I'm guessing I'm gonna move on to the shorts part and just work on this later. I do not know. So I'll follow back up with you a little bit later. Hopefully this is a sign to all of you that things don't always go that well in all my projects. I have a lot of the same struggles y'all do. I get stuck. This was definitely on me. I was trying to make the modification with the elastic and I didn't have it with me to actually measure how wide it was. I just I didn't necessarily guess. I thought I found it on the Michaels website, but I was clearly looking at something other than what I bought. So I'll figure that out later. This is day 3. So update on my make. I just decided to fold over the ribbing that I already made and I'm gonna buy a new elastic that can fit inside of here from Michaels. Yeah, I was not about to start over and I couldn't think of a way to fix what I had already done. Plus I didn't want the rib to be like that thick. I'll return the one I bought and then get a new one. But I've moved forward to the body part of the shorts. It is my lunch break at work. Something I'm still thinking about is tomorrow I actually have to go to a meeting with my boss. I don't mention to my coworkers that I crochet. If they find out, that's cool. As far as I know, no one that I really talk to like knows about my channel or anything like that. Everyone that does has already quit working here. If I just crochet in the car on the way to our work meeting, I would be able to get a lot of good crochet time in. But I just don't want it to be a topic of conversation. So I'm still kind of weighing the pros and cons of that in my head. Is it worth doing that? Because the alternative is just like sitting in silence. It's not like I have to do anything in the car up there. So I just don't know. And this whole video is about, can I finish this by, what did I say, Saturday? So if I don't crochet tomorrow, I won't crochet at all. So that could pretty much set me back. And this part, I thought it would go so much quicker once I got past the ribbing. It's not. My phone keeps sliding, but it's not going too much quicker. So I will make a call on that. Let me know if crocheting at work like during lunch isn't a big deal, because I mean I have a window where people can see me, but literally no one has ever said anything to me about it. It doesn't ever come up in conversation, and I like it that way. But let me know if you are cool with crocheting in public. And I'm fine with public. I don't know why I'm so scared. Can't explain it. But anyways, I'm gonna move forward on my shorts. I should be able to get a bit more done this evening when I get home too. So I will hopefully remember to show y'all the progress when I get home this evening. Hey guys, voiceover Karita here, just popping in to give y'all a bit of information on the designer. The pattern I'm working on is called the Wide Leg Shorts by KnitCroAddict. The designer behind KnitCroAddict is named Juan. Y'all probably already know of her because she has tons of free patterns and tutorials here on YouTube. As a matter of fact, she has a video about how to make these exact shorts, which I'll of course link in the description box below. Juan has been creating and knitting for most of her adult life and decided to share her love with the online world. Juan originally learned to crochet from her mom, making crochet handbags, and quickly became obsessed. If you're someone that's new to knit or crochet, I highly suggest checking out Juan's patterns. 1, because a lot of them are free, and 2, because they typically accompany a YouTube video tutorial. So if reading patterns isn't really your thing, she's got you covered. And 3, her designs are so cute and wearable. Even though Juan has free patterns, she also sells patterns on Etsy, Ravelry, and Lovecrafts. As always, I'll be sure to link all her platforms in the description box below. But let's get back to these shorts. Okay, so there was something I forgot to mention. When I did the ribbing part of the shorts, I was using a 3mm hook, which is the hook size that was recommended in the pattern. And when I started working on the body of the shorts, I upped that to a 3.5mm hook. So now I just finished row 3 of the shorts, of the body of the shorts, and I'm working on row 4, and I upped it to a 4.5mm hook. And my reasoning for that is I'm trying to get a little bit further in the length, and it's not too like spacey with the 4.5, so I'm just upping it so that I can hopefully get the most out of my Curio No. 3 yarn, which I got from WeCrochet. Thank you to WeCrochet for sponsoring today's video. But I just want to make sure that I'm not needing like 8 balls of yarn to make these shorts, because all I have right now is 4 balls. And if I need to wait for more yarn, that's kind of gonna throw me off schedule. So let's just hope for the best. After I get through 2 balls of yarn, I'll, gauge how that's looking. And if I need to get more yarn, I will, because I am gonna finish these shorts, but what I'm not sure about is finishing it by Saturday. We'll see. So me and my boss are on our way to our work meeting. I don't think there's a place for me to prop this up, but we're headed to the work meeting, and I am making some progress on my shorts, which I'm glad I did it. My boyfriend is so proud of me, so I hope it all goes well. It wasn't nearly as awkward as I thought, so I don't know why I took so long. But yeah, this is where I'm at. So this is how far I've gotten with the skirt. It'll be high-waisted, so it needs to like start up here, and it doesn't have the elastic in it yet. I need like 1 more ball of yarn to like maybe go down to here, and then add the shorts, because I want them to go maybe to here, or even where these shorts are. I have 2 more balls of yarn. Like 1 is attached. I just started it. I don't know where it is coming from. And sorry, I am watching Frasier. And then another one. Oh, I didn't put a. Did I? Nope. I didn't put a stitch marker in there. Ah, it's falling apart. So I'm going to probably reach out to WeCrochet today to ask them for another ball of yarn, 2 balls of yarn, because I think that will be just on the safe side. I also realized that when I steam block it, it'll be a little bit more flowy, but I'm liking it so far. No complaints, made a lot of progress. I think I'll make a lot more today. We'll see how it looks on Saturday. I've made a little bit more progress. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm about to call it a night. I really don't think I'm gonna finish this by Saturday, so if you guessed that I wouldn't, then you are right. These stitches are just so small and I don't want to rush it, and I also don't feel like I have enough yarn, so I reached out to WeCrochet today and I have more jalapeno yarn on the way. This is still a very fun make and I can't wait till it's done. And it's quite heavy and I think it'll be a little bit more flowy once I steam block it, but I'm loving how it looks. It's beautiful. It's very neat. Okay, so it is, what is today? Today is Wednesday. The following Wednesday. So if you at the beginning of the video thought I was going to finish by Saturday, you're wrong. I probably should have known better. I don't think I've ever finished a Curio number 3 make in a week, so sorry about that. But we're gonna keep going. But it's the following Wednesday, but I want to catch you up from last Thursday. So the last clip I showed you was from last Thursday. That Friday I did crochet during lunch at work, and I just made, you know, a little bit of progress, but nothing that I felt like worth showing you how much longer it was. And then when I got home from work, I went down a TikTok rabbit hole and I didn't crochet at all. I just was on TikTok, so that was dangerous. Then Saturday, I took my nieces and my nephew and my boyfriend, and we all went to a company picnic at the zoo, and that was a lot of fun, but it was really hot. So once that was over with, I didn't feel like crocheting either, so I did not crochet on Saturday. On Sunday, I did crochet just a little bit, but not really. I was hanging out with my boyfriend. We're going on a cruise pretty soon, so we went to go like buy stuff for the cruise. We went to church, we had breakfast. Yeah, I didn't really crochet. I think like a little bit, but again, not any progress worth showing you. Monday, crocheted again during lunch and after work. Tuesday, crocheted again at lunch and after work. But as of yesterday, I finished up the last of the yarn that I had. So let me show you where I am now. So this is how much yarn I have left for the Curio number 3 that I actually have. But again, I ordered more from WeCrochet, so that should be on the way. I'm hoping it comes like today or tomorrow, because I do need to post this video on Monday. But this is how long it is. It's the exact length that I want it to be. So it's looking really good, actually. I have no complaints. I could weave in the ends just to save me some time, but what I decided to do instead is I'm starting on a new make. So the yarn that y'all didn't want me to use for the shorts is one that I'm using on my next make. The only thing is that I don't like how not flowy it is, so I think I'm gonna use a bigger hook, but I'm just trying to see if that's a mistake or not. This is called Clementine if you're interested, but it will be in the video after this one. I guess I will probably just update y'all once the shorts are done, or maybe when I'm doing the waistband, but I really just need that yarn from WeCrochet. It usually takes about a week, so I'm guessing I'll get it tomorrow, Thursday, because I ordered it last Thursday. So it's the Saturday following the Saturday that I wanted to complete everything, and I'm finally done with the shorts. Absolutely love them, and I love that I added the drawstring and don't have I love that I added the elastic and don't have a drawstring. This is so much better and it fits really nice. as you can see, it's extremely see-through. I do have on biker shorts underneath, but it's very see-through. So I think this is more of like a beach resort vibe or swimsuit cover-up vibe, because you can't really see the details of everything, but you can totally see through these pants, which is a good thing to keep in mind, because I was going to, and I guess maybe if it was a tighter gauge, it wouldn't be as bad, but something to keep in mind, because I was gonna make some crochet pants. That would have taken a lot longer, and to have some see-through pants, that would have sucked. I love the vibe of this. I love how flowy it is. I really, really like it. I'm a huge fan of how this turned out. I think these shorts are gorgeous. I'm about to take some pictures. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear them because I'm headed out and I don't feel comfortable with the see-through shorts on, but I might take them on my cruise that I'm going on pretty soon, so that timing could not have been any better. But it's literally just very simple shorts. There's not much to it. I love the simplicity of the pattern. If this is your first time making a pattern, I think this will be great for you. I've never made shorts before, and I've been wanting to make shorts. And actually these shorts, along with, I don't know the name of it, but I'll post a picture of another pattern she has. I think that would be cute as a matching set, very similar to the last matching set I did. Before Shayna came out with that matching set that she released and I did the whole pattern test for, I was gonna do these shorts with the shirt. So I think that would be super cute. But yeah, these are beautiful. I love them. I love Curio number 3. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye. So for those who don't know, I am going on break for a little bit. I'll be back in July, but I did use Curio number 3 for this make, my favorite, and I'm gonna be using Curio number 3 for the next 2 makes, so I hope that doesn't annoy you. But see you in my next video, bye!